Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing a compact yet super useful little gadget that can seriously upgrade your workspace. This is the Portronics Mport Mino A 3-in-1 USB hub with a sleek design and some great features packed into a tiny form factor. Opening it up, inside we've got the hub itself securely packed. No extra fluff here, just the device. And honestly, that's all you need. It's got a metal alloy body, so it feels really premium in the hand. Solid, sturdy, and designed to handle a bit of wear and tear, especially if you're carrying it around. You get one USB 3.0 port for fast data transfers, up to 5 Gbps, and two USB 2.0 ports for your keyboard, mouse, or other peripherals. It's plug and play, so no drivers needed. Just plug it into your laptop, PC, or Mac, and you're good to go. Let's plug it into my laptop. A great little companion for anyone working remotely or hopping between cafes and co-working spaces. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews.